In this video I am going to show you how to make a cool YouTube intro super easily in Wondershare Filmora software. So if you are a YouTuber or if you want to learn how to create a YouTube intro, that time this video will be very helpful for you. By the way, without any further delay, let's get started. In reality, the best thing of this software is there are some intro templates available to this software. So we can simply edit those for our own purpose and use them without hesitation. For that reason, at first you have to go title tab. Like this, look at. This is our title tab, okay? Now I simply hit on here. After that, here you will get openers category. Look at, there are 25 openers available. I simply hit on here. Now follow, those all are YouTube intro. You can pick any of them from here, whatever you like. Just follow, guys. Even you can check preview by clicking on it like this. I'm simply hit on here. Can you see the preview? Suppose now I want to see a preview for this. So simply hit on here. Look at it is downloading. Yes, it's done. Now again hit on here like this. Can you see the preview, guys? Okay, now I want to see a preview for this. Therefore simply hit on here. Yes, I like this. So I will add it in timeline. Just click on plus icon like this. Now look at it has been added. Now we have to edit it, right? So simply double click on it like this. Afterwards you will get this panel. From here you can customize your text as you wish. Okay, now I'm deleting this default text. Just follow me, guys. And write your preferable text. Then I select all the text and change the size from here. Just follow me, guys. This time I like 36. Or you can pick anything. Suppose I like 40. Even you can change text color or you can use any preset from here. But right now I don't want to do anything. So I simply double click on this text. Now delete the default one and write mkbht. Now I select the text and pick the size. This time I like 36 and make it bold. Even you can reset it from here like this. If you are satisfied with that, simply hit on OK. Now I will add a background music to make this more interesting. To do that, go audio tab like this. Look at, this is our audio tab. I simply hit on here. There are bunch of audio available. You can pick any of them, whatever you need. Suppose I like this one. For that I download it. Just double click on it. Look at it is downloading. Now I will add it. To add it, simply click on plus icon or just select it. Then drag and drop it like this. I want to set it in this position. Now I'll delete the extra part. For that, click on split option. Afterwards, select this part. Then click right button of your mouse and pick delete. Let's play for checking. Okay, for better getting, I will add our targeted video. So hit on media. Look at, I already imported a video here. Now I select it, then drag and drop it here. And click on mesh to media. Now let's check.
What's up, guys? guys, I'm KBHD here. Welcome back. A bit of a different video today.
Can you get the point, guys? In reality, already he used a YouTube intro to this video, right? So I delete it. Just follow me, guys. Now let's check, guys.
What's up, guys? I'm KBHD here. Welcome back. A bit of a different video today.
Yes, now it seems to me perfect. Accordingly, in a similar way, you can make a cool YouTube intro super fast. Thank you very much for staying with me.